Hi everybody, a very good morning to you all. Today in Maths session 20 we are going to discuss about the square roots. Already we have discussed in the last sessions and all about the squares. The first two exercises based on the squares. So we have discussed about that. Today we are going to discuss about the square roots. Square root means there is one option is that there is a Pythagorean triplet that we have seen now. According to that, there is no Pythagoras theorem. Now that is no need. Okay. The next one is prime factorization. Pythagorean theorem that you can see it later with sums when it's coming that time we will see. Now the main is prime factorization. So we can get it finding square root through prime factorization. Finding square root by prime factorization. What is the prime factorization that you must know that? What is the prime factorization? The number which we are taking. Maybe now which number we can take, any easy number for this one we will take example. This one 64,000. This they ask you to find the square root of this number by the prime factorization. Already we know the prime numbers, right? Basic prime numbers, no need of big numbers and all. Basically, what are the prime numbers that you must know that. Okay, that we know that. So according to that, square root of value, square root, how we have to modify? Like this we have to modify. Find the square root of 6,400. Prime factorization. Okay. Normally, first by prime factorization method. What is the prime factorization method? We have to write division only like this, 6,400. You have to go like this. Okay. Now, what is the first easiest prime number we can take for this? Prime factorization means we have to use only the prime numbers. Okay. First easiest one is 2. So here 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, then 0 0. Again 2. 16 0. Again 2. 800 2. 400 2. 200 2. 100 2. 50 2. 25 5. Then 5. Now you have to write all the terms. Root of 6,400 is equal to, in the root value we have to write all the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then what are the numbers are there? 5 and 5. 5 into 5. Square root means for the two numbers. For the square means we have multiplied by 2, right? For the square we have multiplied by 2. But square root means in the root, each two values we have to take one value outside. So here 2 value, first one, then 2 value, then 2 value, then 2 value, then 2 value. If you take out what will come 2 for this 2 into 5. If you multiply what the value you will get. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 5, 80. So, if you find out the value of square root of 6,400, you will get the value of 80. Then, to check, if you want to check means what we have to do? When we take the value of 80 squared, what we need to get compulsory 80 is 64, then 2 zeros, then 64, then 2 zeros. Right? It is quite correct. Understood how we have done? Finding square root by the prime factorization. Example, I have taken the one question, 6,400. Root means square root means the value should be like this, the drawing. Okay. Then by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method means first we have to use only the prime numbers. To factorize. That is a division. Like a division method only, we have to do as a downside word we have to do it, and after getting the value you have to write all the numbers in the root value. Then we have to select for each two numbers, one number we have to take since there is a square root. So then 80, if you want to check, it is not needed, it is not necessary. If you want to check, you can check it. You can check it. By this the question is finished. Okay. This also you write it for the finding square root by the product factorization, you can write it. Now let us go to the exercise. Now let us go to the exercise. Now, in this exercise, they have given the first question there. What could be the possible ones digits of the square root of each of the following numbers? They told that only you have to find out the place value of ones. After getting the square values or square root values, we have to get the value as a ones place only. Ones place only, what is the possible in this place? So first one digit in the square root of 9801. 9801. If you take the square root of this number, one's value in square root of 9801 is 1 or 9. 1 or 9. Okay? That is 1 or 9. How? You will ask immediately. How you said, sir? Directly I have given 1 or 9. 1 or 9. Already I have given you in the starting, when we have started the chapter, I have given you the answers are 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36, 7 square is equal to 49, 8 square is equal to 64, then 9 square is equal to 81. 9 square is then 10 square is equal to 100. This one already I have given when the chapter starting itself. I have given you the value. Here you see when the finishing value is 1. Here which are the numbers are bringing the value, ending value as a ones place. Here 1 is bringing, otherwise 81 is bringing. That is 9. 81 coming is a 1 ending number. So that's why we have decided one's value in 9801 root value is 1 or 9. With this only, any one will come. Okay. Next 6. Next one is 6. So what is the one's value? One's value in root of 99856 is, what is 6? What we can do? 1 is 16, otherwise 6. 36, right? So we can write 4 or 6. 4 or 6. Understood how we have done? Only they have asked about the ones place value. Ones place value. Then the next one. Here also we finished with 1. Here also finished with 1. So what we can write? One's value in root of 998001 is 1 or 9. 1 or 9. Yes or no? Compulsory. Same like that, ending with 1. So we can write the same. 5. One's value in root of 657666025 is 1 ending with 5. Check in the whole terms. What is it? Only for 5 it is coming 25. So we can compulsory say that is 5. Is 5. Only one number can be, that is also 5. Understood, students? It is very easy one only. Only one's place you have to see for that which number may be coming for the square root. For the square root, that also we have seen. Already I have given you these values of 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9. Everything I have given still 10 square for you. So according to that we have solved. Okay. Now let us go for the question number 2. Now question number 2. Without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect square. We should not calculate anything, but we have to say which is not surely perfect squares. Which is not surely perfect squares. Okay. Already, by this, looking at these things, you may know that the ending numbers of the square root values will be what? See, already we know that. We know that the ending numbers will be repeatable. You see here, what are the numbers will be there? 1, then 4, then 9, then 6, then 5. Any other is there. Otherwise 2 zeros will be there. Otherwise 2 zeros will be there. Other than this, you can't get any square values like this. Other than this, you can't get any square values like this. Okay? We know that these numbers are perfect numbers. These numbers are perfect numbers. These numbers are perfect numbers. If these are perfect numbers, means which are not perfect numbers, after here ending with 2, 3, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7, then 8, then 9 is there, 10, there is also 0 is there. There is also 0 is there. So these are 2, 3, 7, 8, ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 are not perfect numbers for the square. They are not perfect numbers for the square. So here, number ending with 3. So you can say that not perfect square because ends with 3. Ends with 3. Not perfect square because ends with 3. Next one, 7. Not perfect square because ends with 7. 8. Not perfect square because ends with 8. Last one, 4, 4, 1. 4, 4, 1. It can be compulsory. It is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. Because 4 root under 441 is equal to what the value become compulsory is 21. It is compulsory 21. Okay, understood? Okay, students, this is second one is very easy one only. Since we know that according to that term, what are the numbers are perfect numbers, what are the numbers are not perfect numbers. According to that, we have solved this. Since the ending number is there, so we can easily say that not perfect square. Since there is a ending value is 1, so we can say that that is a perfect square. No need to do the calculation. Directly we can write 21 into 21 is equal to 441. Okay. Now let us go for the third question. Hi. Question number 3. Square root of, find the square root of 100 by repeated subtraction method. Repeated subtraction method they given us. Already in the previous, I think of 6.1 we have seen to get the total number. If they have given the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 like that, we have added only the odd numbers. Okay, only we have added the odd numbers and we got the values of the what is the square value. Same like that we are going to here do the repeated subtraction using method of repeated subtraction of consecutive odd numbers. We have to do with the consecutive odd numbers. Subtraction method with the consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers we have to use here. Okay, here first we can write the first number. What is given question? 100. What is the first odd number? What is the first odd number? That is 1. So 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. Then what will be the next number? from 99 minus next consecutive odd number is 3, so that is 96. Okay, then from 96 next odd number is 5, that is 91. 91. Then from the 91 next odd number is 7, so when you subtract this one you will get 84. Okay, next 84 minus next odd number, what is that? Next odd number after 7, what will go? 9. What will come? 84 means what will come the number? That is 75. Then next one, continuing here, okay. 75 minus next odd number is 11, so we will get what is the value? 75 minus 11 is equal to 64. Next, 64 minus next odd number is 13, you will get 51. Then 51 minus next odd number is 15, then what will you get? 36. The next one from the 36, we will get the next odd number is 17. What will come 36 minus 17? That is 19. So next number is 19, next odd number also 19, we will get 0. We will get 0. Now, we have done, right? You can see that consecutive odd numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 19, 17 plus 19 is equal to 100. Is equal to 100. By repeated subtraction method, they ask you to tell what is the square root of 100. What is the square root of 100? So now you have to count how many terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many terms are there? 10 times repeated. How many times? 10 times repeated. So we can write 10 times repeated. So what we can say? Thus, finally, root of 100 is equal to 10. Root of 100 is equal to 10. Understood? It is very quite easy. You have to do it. Like this, the one more number they have given 169. That you do it as a homework. 169, that you do it as a homework. Instead of 100, here you have to start from 169. You have to start from 169 like this only. Consecutive odd numbers you have to use it, and you have to find out the value of 169. What the numbers will come. That you have to say. You have to find out. Now, question number 4. Question number 4. Now, question number 4. What is the question number 4? They are given over there. Find the square root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Already I have shown you in the example. One question I have done in the example prime factorization method. So the first question they have given in this fourth one, first one is 729. Fourth one, first 429. 729. 729. They ask you to find out the root value. They ask you to find out the root value. So how will you get the root value? That is root 729 by prime factorization. By prime factorization. So first we have to write the number 729. So for ending term with 9, which number we can use? Which number we can use? That you must know that. Ending with 9, which number we can use? Basically, it is not a even number, it is odd number, so we can try with 3. We can try with 3. Okay? In 7, 2 7s are, 2 3s are 6, then balance 1, 4, then 3. Okay, then again we can try with 3, 8, 1. Again we try with 3, 2, 7. Again with 3, 3. So finally what will you write? Finally what will you write? Since we have done this much, finally we have to write how many terms are given. Root of 729 is equal to root of, We have to write the terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 multiplied by 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 3. How many terms? 6 terms to come. So we have to take each 2 terms 1 term out of the number. Each 2 terms we have to take out of the 1. So we have taken 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So which is equal to 27. Root of 729 is equal to 27. Is equal to 27. Okay. If you want to verify this, you can again multiply by 27 into 27. You will get the value. 27 into 27. You will get the value. Okay. Now next question, there is 400. Second one they have given that. Second one they have given that 400 root 405 prime factorization. So 400. What will be? It is an even number. So 2 first 200. 2 first 100. Again 2 first 50. Again 2 first 25. Then now we can't do with 2, so we take 5 upon 5. 5 upon 5. Okay. Now what we can do next? Root of 400 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 into 5. This is in the root term. So each 2 term we have to take one term 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. If you have a doubt, you can compulsory multiply by 2 times, then you can check it. 20. Okay, root 400 is equal to 20. Understood, students? This one is very easy one only. 400 by the prime factorization you can do it. By prime factorization you can do it very easiest one. So by this 2 sums I have done, and third 1764. Third one is 1764. That one you do it as a homework. From fourth one you will see it in the next session. From fourth one you will see it in the next session. Only homework, only one question, that is third one, that is 1764. So from next question, fourth one, I will start in the next session. Okay students, take care, do the sums in your copy. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.